Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And today is it's a news trading because there's a couple of data that is going to be out. Especially in another 15 minutes, we are going to get the data from the euro, the rate announcement. Then after that, we are going to get US PPI. So we have to be a bit careful and especially when the two datas are coming in, so one might be good, one might be bad. So the market may be responding to one data and uh, the other one may not respond, so we have to get ourselves prepared. Okay. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Okay. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, I think we move on to our live analysis and our signals. Okay, let's okay. So here, the data that is going to be out. Okay, we are going to get from the euro the refinancing rate, which is going to be the forecast is cutting by quarter percent. So if I mean, of course, the market is expecting this cut, and market has already responded to this move. Of course, we also need to see what the ECB press conference are talking, which is going to happen in 21:45. So after that, if they give an indication that they may want to cut further, then that might be a clue that the euro dollar might be weakening further. But overall, I think weakness on the euro is expected. Next, we have the USD core PPI. Okay, market forecast is zero point 0.2. Previous was 0.3. So market is expecting a better PPI. That means lower PPI, which is supposed to be good. If the figures comes out to be soft, then it's good for the dollar weakness. Then PPI month on month, previous was zero point 0.2, and now the market is also expecting is about zero point 0.2. So anything lower, dollar weakness, anything higher, dollar strength. Then followed by unemployment claims. Okay, previous was 224, market is expecting 221k. K. Anything lower is good for dollar. Anything higher than this is dollar weakness is expected. Okay, let's move on to the signals. So let's just give me a minute. Okay, so here we look at we are trying to sell the euro dollar. Okay, because market is expecting a cut, and if they respond to as it is, then we are expecting the euro to weaken further towards 10465. And if the 465 breaks, then we may see the price moving lower. Then on the pound, okay, we are trying to sell if this is okay. First one we will talk about euro news. Okay, the euro news, we are only trying to do only for the euro dollar, and let's see whether we can do any euro crosses. Okay, so the euro yen, this is already moving lower. So uh, the previous day low, okay, the previous day low euro, we were looking at 158.90. So this is a bit tricky because euro is weaker and dollar yen is also weaker. Okay, now the tricky part is if the data comes out to be from the US stronger, then we may get the yen much weaker. So what we will do is we will just try to put in a trade, just only one trade. Okay, we'll try to sell euro yen at 60.20. Then we'll try to buy euro yen at 159.15. So these are the two trades we can go for the euro data out, and also I think the PPI also. So 159.15, 85, and 159.65. Okay, this is one trade. Then we will try to sell euro yen at 16020. Stop at 45 and 159.70. Okay, so this is a new trade which we are generating. This is based on the euro. One is interest rate cut. Then the other one is if the CPI comes out to be PPI comes out to be stronger, then we may get the either side. So I think we just try to key in all these orders. Then after the data is out, okay, because we are going to do one is pre-announcement and another one is post-announcement. So the pre-announcement, we try to put in the order before the data is out. Then once the data is out, then we do a post-announcement trade. Okay, so here dollar yen we are trying to buy at 151.70, and dollar Swiss we are trying to sell one at 89.5 and another one at buying at 88.40. So that means two directions we are putting in, either directions. Yeah. Then gold, the same scenario. Okay, we are trying to buy one at 2686 and another one is selling at 2717. Okay, then followed by the euro yen buying and selling. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share with you the market sentiment. So at least, in the event the data comes in, at least you can get yourself prepared to trade on what directions and what would be the flow of the market and the direction of the market. So let's talk about, we still have first 5 more minutes for the euro data to be out. So let's talk about euro dollar and euro yen. Okay, these two. So let's euro first. We talk about euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. So if you notice, okay, let's go into the platform, and if you see right now this market is trading at 104.90. This is trading near the previous day low. Okay, there is a very high chance that it might break and move lower. Then on the other hand, your previous day high is 105.40 and today's high is 105.35, and we are trying to sell at 105.35. That means near the high. So since the news is known and this is already expected and this market is already responded, so we just have to wait for the announcement. So once the announcement is there, then we should be trying to sell at least 105.10 or 10530. So I'm giving you two levels for you to trade. So if you call yourself an aggressive trader, then the moment once the news is out, and the news must be in such a way that this is as expected, they cut the rate. Then if they cut, then what you should be doing is the moment once you see 10510, okay, just sell at the market. Okay, of course, the 10535, okay, this the orders which we are given, this is mainly for conservative traders. So then you should expect the price to move lower towards 10460. So there is a 50 pips move that is available in the market. So once the news is out, we just want to hit the market. If you see but of course, if let's say the market starts to fall, let's say the market starts to fall, and 10, because the problem here is there's only limited downside, so I don't want to hit the price when the price is falling, because you might end up getting a very low entry point. Then we look into euro yen. Okay, the euro yen, see right now this market is already breaking the benchmark level, which is 15950. So if it's expected to break, then the next level of support should be 15890 or slightly higher, 15915. So we are trying to buy somewhere at 15915 with a stop below 15885. There is only about 40-45 pips drop we are looking for. So once it drops, then we try to exit with 15960 level. Okay, so again, okay, let me see the time control. Time control says okay, if you want, we can lower maybe 05. Okay, quickly, the news is going to be out in a minute. Okay. Okay, change it. Okay, one more minute. The news is going to be out. Okay, we have 30 seconds left. So we are expecting the euro weakness. Okay, we are expecting the euro weakness, and at the same time we are the direction should continue. Okay, so let's see what has happened. Then after that we will continue with the other data. Okay, so I think forecast, the market also came out as expected. So let's see how the market is responding. Okay, no movement, not much movement. let's see. Uh, Euro crosses. Okay, let's see Euro crosses. Okay, so we are not getting any response. Okay, market is not responding. Okay, so I think market is as expected, and we are also waiting for the PPI data. So we expect this thing to continue. Okay, now let's carry on with our analysis. Okay, the next data which we are going to get is the PPI. So when we look into the PPI, uh, like as I said, if the data come out to be uh, weak, okay, meaning softer, then we should see the dollar weakness. So when I say the dollar weakness, we should see the euro dollar going up, pound dollar going up, gold going up, dollar yen going down, then dollar Swiss coming off. Okay, so this is what we expect. Okay, and now, okay, now I think we are seeing euro responding. Responding. Okay, let me see. Euro yen is coming off. Yeah, euro now is coming off. Okay, now is coming off. Okay, the trouble is because we are expecting one more data, so I don't want to uh, push for a market entry. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay. Okay, give me a minute. I'm just trying to reboot my system. Okay. So here, okay, because since we have one more data that's coming out, so I don't think we can see any big movement happening. So wait for the next data come out. Okay, now what we are going to do is like the CPI. Okay, I'm sorry, the PPI I was talking. So if the PPI comes out to be strong, then we expect the dollar strength to continue. That means the euro dollar should be going down, breaking lower. Dollar yen should be going up, dollar Swiss going up, and gold coming off. If the data come out to be bad, then what should happen is we should get the dollar weakness, but that is only a temporary pullback. Okay, that means what we are trying to say is overall whether the data comes out to be good or bad. If it comes out to be good, then we should expect this price to continue lower. If it comes out to be bad, then we should expect the price to move, then eventually come down. So that is what we are trying to say. Overall, the trend direction should continue unless if the data is exceptionally bad, then we might see the price reversing. But as of now, the downtrend is still intact, and we expect this price to move lower towards 104.10.20. So either we should be holding sell or looking to buy much lower. Okay, the same thing for pound. So if you look into the pound chart, okay, if you look into the pound chart, this is in a range. So now it's testing this the range low, which is on the 15 minute. So if it breaks, then we should see the price towards 126.40, that is even lower. If it doesn't break, then it might be in a range again. So these are the only two possibilities we can look. So today, okay, but the sentiment is, of course, the data should be coming in good. That is what the market is telling us also. So the same thing, if the data, if you see any pullback, 127.50, then we will try to sell. Then again, we will expect the price to move lower. Okay, next, dollar yen, same scenario. What we are expecting is, if the data is soft, we might see the price breaking the low, but should be limited to 5170 or 5150. Eventually, the price should start to break higher, and we should see the price pushing towards 153.30. So this is what is expected for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss price already started breaking higher. So again, the same thing. Data good. We should expect this dollar Swiss to continue higher towards 89.50 or 60. Then if the data is bad, we should see the price pulling back towards 88.55 or 88.40. So what you should be doing is, the moment once you see the price coming off, hit the market, and wait for the price to push higher. So this is for dollar Swiss. Okay, finally we look at gold. Okay, gold, what we believe is the price is going to test 2695. Okay, so we try to sell 2717. Okay, the one I think we can bring it down to 115. Okay, maybe I think we'll wait for the data. Okay, we'll wait for the data. But what we expect, I can just tell you, if the data comes out to be bad, we expect the price to push higher, and we don't see the price going beyond 21. Okay, we don't see the price going beyond 21, and we should see the price breaking the low and testing 88 or lower. So this is what we expect. So again, your reaction time must be fast. Okay, and sometimes we give the signal, we are just by the time we go and change, then come back and tell you the market will not be waiting for us. So if you, especially if you want to trade on the news, see, you must be an aggressive trader. That's one. Second is, you must be, your reaction must be very fast. Then you should be able to take the risk, you are planning to take. Then uh, I think these are the things we have to take note. Okay, so let's see. We have another 4 more minutes for the data to come out. Okay, let's see. Then after the data is out, we would be doing a post announcement. Sorry, a post announcement trading. So which means to say, I'll tell you what is to be expected, then we can go along with the trade. So that is what we have. One pre-announcement, that means we get ourselves prepared for this is what is we are expecting, and this is how we expect the market to trade. Then this post announcement is maybe the market may respond within the next couple of minutes, or it may respond after maybe half an hour, 1 hour. That is because the market may want to digest. But sometimes, if the market, if the news comes out to be as expected, then we may see the price is still in a range, nothing, no activity comes in, then slowly they digest the news, then finally the market may starts to move in the directions whichever the market is going to hit. So what I will do is, of course, after the announcement, after the data is out, I will tell you what is to be expected and how we can trade on all this market, or maybe not all, maybe one or two we will focus. Maybe we'll focus on the dollar yen, gold, and maybe one more. So let's see how this thing works. Okay, we have 2 more minutes. Good luck to you, and let's see how we can trade this news. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so we have 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more minute. I repeat, we are still, for those people who are coming in late, okay, we are still dollar bulls. Okay, that means we expect the dollar strength to continue irrespective the data comes out. Okay, if it's a soft data, we might just get a spike in the opposite direction, and eventually this market should turn in the direction of the dollar bulls. Okay, which means to say gold bearish, dollar yen bullish, euro bearish, pound dollar bearish, and dollar Swiss bullish. Okay, we have 20 more seconds. Okay, good luck. I think we have keyed the orders. Now we wait for the data. Then we decide how we want to trade after this announcement. Okay, unemployment came is bad. Okay, unemployment is bad, which means to say dollar weakness on that. Then PPI month on month is very strong, and core PPI is month on month is as expected. So we are getting mixed signals. Okay, so we got to wait for the market to respond. So what we are seeing now, okay, let's see. Okay, gold is going up. Gold is going up, and Okay, euro and the dollar, no movement. Okay, euro and the dollar, no movement. So, what we expect on the gold? Okay, let's talk one at a time. Okay, gold. Okay, if you want, if you call yourself an aggressive trader, you try to sell at 2710 half or 11. Okay, and the stop loss should be 27155. Okay, if you are prepared to take that risk, go for a sell. Okay, I want to do that trade. Okay, sell at 2710 half. Gold, gold. We concentrate on the gold. Okay, if you want to hit the market, you may do so, but the risk is there. We are expecting this low to break. Okay, we are expecting this low to break. So, uh, let me give this signal adjustment. Okay, let that order be as it is. Okay, let that order be as it is. Now, new order I'm giving. Two seven one one zero half. Sorry, 10 half, 15 half, and 2695. Okay, expiry. So this is a. If you, I mean, I don't know whether you want to see. In fact, just now the spike happened was at 11. So I'm not sure whether you want to wait or you want to enter and market. I'll let you decide. Okay, market is moving lower. Market is moving lower. Okay, dollar yen, this is coming off. Okay, this is coming off. We should be looking to buy dollar yen. Okay, I'm not sure whether. Okay, you, you want to feel, you don't want to. So this gold we are trying to sell, huh? So I'll let you decide. If you want to do market, you go ahead. But but we don't want to generate the signal. But as of now, I think early on we should have sold at a much higher price. Okay. Then let me see the dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. We have given an order to buy at 51.70. Okay, 51.70. So actually, we can give a few more pips. So even if you want to buy at 51.90, you can go ahead. Okay, 51.90. If you want to buy, you can go ahead. But if you want to wait for 51.70, is also up to you. So what we expect is, okay, we are expecting this weakness. Then after that, the market should start to turn up. Okay. So this is for dollar yen. So we have a 51.70. We are still a buyer on dollar yen. Huh? We are still a buyer on the dollar yen. But either we can buy at 90 or 70. Okay, but the stop loss has to be below 151 151 35 or 40. Okay, let's get into this. Then what other trade? Huh? Okay, we don't want to touch euro. Euro dollar is, maybe we can sell at 105.10. Early on, we gave a signal at 35. We want to lower it to 10 and TP at 460. Okay, euro, we are reducing the sell order. I don't know gold whether any one of you entered market. This is up to you, you know. So we are still waiting. In fact, I shorted somewhere at 8 half. 8 half. Okay. Then let me see the pound. Okay, pound. I think I don't want to do any changes on that. I think the dollar yen. I think we can only concentrate on dollar yen and gold, you know, and the euro. hello. Sorry. Anyone managed to enter any trades? Let me know. Okay, and I think I've entered gold and dollar yen. I just hit at 90. So these are the two trades. Okay. Yeah, dollar yen by. Okay, I don't know where is the call. Yeah, actually, I gave a signal at 70. So if you have entered at market or 85 is fine, So you put a stop. Okay, or wait. I'll just tell you what is to be expected on dollar yen. So basically, we should see the price should not go below 40, should not go below, and the market may move higher towards 152, 30, 40, and once it breaks this level, then we should see the price moving higher towards 153, 152.80 and 153.30. Okay, the time is finished. The time belt has finished. So most likely we should see the yen yen pushing higher. Okay, let me see this time belt. What time this thing finishing? 20. So we have another 40. Sorry, another 15 more minutes. So we should not see the price going beyond 65. 65. Okay. So this is we should see the market turning in another 15 minutes. So this is for dollar yen. Gold, I don't know whether you managed to enter. I think you see that the high was 11. Okay, the high was 11 and we tried to sell. That's why sometimes this kind of news we have to see and we have to hit the market. So in fact, I sold at 8 half. So I managed to sell at 8 half and I expect this low to break. If it breaks, then we should see the price moving towards 95 or even 91. Okay, 95 or 91 or even lower 88. So this should be, and I don't see the price. I also tell you alternatively, I don't expect the price to break 14 or 15. I think it's breaking lower. Yeah, it's already breaking lower, and dollar yen is also starting to turn up. So I told you, like the dollar yen, we expect the weakness to be for another 15 more minutes max. Then after that, the strength should come into play. Okay, so this is for dollar yen. Euro. Let's see the euro. want, you can sell at, I don't know, even if you sell at 95, the only thing euro, we are looking at a target of 460. Okay, 460. So if you want, you can sell now at 95 or 510. But we should see the price moving lower at least for the next 2 hours. So this is our call and expectations for euro. Okay. So with that, I think I'll end this session, and I look to forward to see you again tomorrow. Okay. Uh, any questions or anything you want to ask? Before we end the session. Okay. So if you have no questions, okay. Once again, thank you for coming into this session, and we will see you again tomorrow.